Alright, sports fans, this is about the craziest thing I've done so far. It is 4:49. Do not get the luxury of walking on the beach and letting it get light. I've actually got to go through a jungle trail in the dark. We'll see how it goes. I'm pretty scared, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not real excited about crossing this river in the dark, but howling monkeys are up, howling, and you never know when it's coming. If anyone finds this phone next to a dead body eaten by a puma, I had a good time. Later. I tell you what, this is some scary. It's only like 8 inches deep. Alright, so it's one of those good news, bad news scenarios. Waterproof boots were stellar because it did go up to the edge of my boot at some point. I made it 100 yards across that river and I slipped and fell on the last step. I'm not exaggerating, it was literally the last step. My right hand landed on ground. My left leg was totally submerged, so water did flow into the boot. So I now got 5.5 hours in this tough trail. And my sock is soaked already. So but it is what it is. Tough it out, right? I'm already tired, but this kind of beauty can help the energy level a little bit. It's about, I'm guessing, I haven't looked since I crossed the river and had my fall, but I'm guessing it's 6 to 6:15. We've got a cool little spot here. We're going to lean up against this rock. Oh, taking my first break of the day. Like I said, it's a 6-hour hike. I'm an hour and 20 minutes in. And that first hour and 20 minutes was tough because, you know, I was in the dark for the first 40 minutes and had to cross a river. A lot of soft sand, which is just brutal to trudge through with, you know, boots and all your stuff on your back. But I'm feeling a little more energized. I've got 2.5 water bottles left, 1 juice box, so I figure I'm good. If I can do a half bottle of water every hour, I should make it no problem. But you can't beat the scenery. Those little droplets, it is starting to rain. So we had a really good heavy shower for about 30 minutes in the middle of the night. I didn't look at the clock, but I would estimate somewhere between 2 and 3 and maybe 3 and 4 in the morning. It lasted like about 30 minutes, but that's the only rain I've seen. This is the driest month of the year, which was planned. I'm gonna get up and get moving again, so don't I look excited? Wow. I hope that was caught on film. 2 tapirs. I was 10 feet away from them. I saw my tapirs finally. So happy. I'm exhausted and this trail is hard as shit, but that helped a little bit with the energy level. That was pretty exciting. I came up on them and I was within 20 feet of them before I realized they were there, and I got within 10 feet of them. This is my break spot for midway. We're getting back to civilization. Saw the macaws up in this tree right above me. I got some film of it. Had a great juice box. I'm going to have some more water. Time to get back on the road because now the sun's up. It's going to get nothing but tougher. I can't tell you how tired I am. I feel like, you know, there's films of Olympic marathon runners where they're getting close to the end and their legs just stop working and get all wobbly. That's how I feel. I just passed my first humans in 4 hours. And it was two Austrian girls who were staying at my destination. They hiked, they said very leisurely for 2 hours, so I'm sure I can make it in under 2. I'm not on a leisurely pace, I'm trying to get this done. But I'm down to my last 2/3 of a water bottle. I did get desperate and I literally took a stick and beat a banana out of a tree that wasn't even ripe yet and ate it anyway. It's kind of crunchy still, but I don't know if it was mental or if it was truly physical, but I feel like it helped me get me a little more pep in my steps, so. Whew. Over. I can't wait to get a real shower, followed up by a beer, followed up by a real meal. I'm not 29 anymore, I'm 39, and my body's freaked out by what I've just done to it for the last 4 days. Ain't tough, ain't nothing. Well, this is a little break. I'm like 30 minutes away from the station. It's pretty nice.